Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Greetings future Fifth Third Bank customers. Today I will be showing you how to create a Fifth Third Bank account online in 2024. Whether you are after convenience of a range of banking features or simply this tutorial is actually tolerated for you. Let's make your account creation process swift and simple. So before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have the full information. So guys, the first thing that you'll have to do is to head up to Fifth Third Bank right here. After you do that, simply you have to open this page. As you can see here, we are on this page. So here when you try to log in, well, when you are a first time user, obviously you have to register. So click here to register. And as you can see, register for online banking. Do you have Modern Checking, Express Checking, Savings, Debit Card, or Home Equity Line of Credit? Here I'm going to choose no. Do you have Fifth Third Auto Loan, etc.? No. Then, as you can see, for additional contact assistance is required. So please call the customer services at 1-800. So here guys, the thing is, if you don't have already an account with them, you can't really create one from zero. So in case you had one, well, they will directly take you to the online banking application. So you have to own it on your PC so you can actually use it. Now, for those who have already an account, for example, let's say yes, and here register for online banking, you will only need these things. For example, for first time login, you will need to use one of the following as your ID. So here, you just have to use Fifth Third debit number, ATM card number, or credit card number, and as a password you can use either ATM pin or temporary pin, and then you can log in. Now this is for the online banking. Here let me just show you, because there is two kinds. So there is this one and there is that one. Let me just show you here. No, yep. So here for the account type, for account information, for those who have a loan, you simply have to select the account type. For example, you have auto loan, installment loan, or mortgage loan. So you simply have to choose one of them as your loan, put here your account number, and then put your social security number, and your account verification will be sent to your email, and then you will be good to go. So this is how you can create an account without actually going there and without a call. But in general guys, in case you are really interested in creating an account within Fifth Third Bank, well, and let's say you don't have an actual account with them already, or you just turned 18 and you're just trying to get there with them, well, what you have to do is to either, for example here, what can help you with, let's go here as you can see and search for branches. So here simply just remove ATMs. We don't need ATMs, so remove ATMs and search for branches. For example, let's say that you are from New York. Let's click on New York, and here we go. So here as you can see, these are all basically some kind of basic knowledge. Let me just zoom out. So here we are on New York, and this is all the banks or branches that they have. So you can see where you're living, see what is the closest branch to you, and go right to them. Now also you have to put something in mind, is the working hours. For example, I'm going to click on this one, which is that one. So here you're simply going to be taken to Google Maps. So here it is, and as you can see here, you don't really know the working hours, so you have to get the working hours of each of these branches. Well, normally the working hours of them are basically gonna be mentioned in here after you contact them, but I will tell you, I contacted them already, and I will tell you that their working hours are basically from 9 AM or 8 AM from Monday till Friday till 4 PM. So you should put that in mind. It is not all the day long, it is from 9 AM or 8 AM till 4 PM. So in case you're not in that range area, you will not be able to actually go. And guys, put in mind also, if you are watching this video today, which is the 18th of 2024, then the next week Monday, which is tomorrow, is not gonna be a working day, so they will be closed because it is the presidential day. So it is basically all the banks, or probably most of the banks, not going to be working that day. So put that in mind so you don't go there and waste your time. So you have to figure out a specific time during your job, ask your managers, ask your co-workers to actually let you go, and then you can make an appointment with them, go there. And of course, before you go, guys, before we go, I almost forgot that, because if you went there without an appointment, you will not be able to actually get to talk to anyone. So make sure, guys, that before you go, you actually contact them on this number. This number is actually working from Monday till Sunday, and it is working on the weekend from 9 till 12 p.m. but on the normal days it is normally from the same hours of working, so from 8 till 4 p.m. You can contact them whenever you want, make an appointment, and give the information to your colleague or to your manager, and you can ask him to free you at this time. And for the amount of account that you can create, there is a personal account. As you can see, there's business, commercial, and work management. So there is also a lot of plans. For example, if you want to buy a house, you can get a first-time home buyer, home saving plans. There is refinancing and mortgage. There is consolidated debts. There is learn about your finances, plan for education. If you are planning for your child or student planning, there is everything here. Prepare for retirement, save for life events. So there is a lot of things that you can actually go for. You can here have a lot of information that can actually give you easy calculations. So you can here use easy to use calculators, as you can see, that can actually calculate for you how much will my payment be, for example, how much is it gonna be, how do you save money, how much do you have to save. For example, let's say that you are, for example, how much will it be my mortgage payment be, purchase price, let's say for 500, and the payment is 20%, so the term is 30 years. You will be having a total of 500. So this is a pretty good. So this is breakdown over time and authorized. So this is just some basic. Here you will find property tax, homeowners insurance, and much more details. So you can use all these calculators to actually start counting and seeing how much money you are going to be having, how much you should save for your kids. For example, here you can see all kind of different things: student loan, credits and personal loan, which I don't suggest you to go for, but it is up to you. Loans are not good since the fees, and depending if you have found a loan with no fees, that's gonna be so good. But nowadays there is no loans without fees, and the loan will just follow you your whole life. So in case you could afford something without loan, that's gonna be much better. So guys, that was in general how you can create an account within the Fifth Third Bank. Unfortunately, you can't create it for the first time, but if you did own an account already, where you can just log in using your credentials, and then within your account dashboard you can create a new one. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.